Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launch isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's-eye view without all the chafing from this thing. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! Nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the restful. So refreshing. I'll joke you aside. You really can't be here with these eggs. Oh, not good. But I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with